GCFandLCM, and I'm here for another video tutorial. This time we're going to be talking about greatest common factor and least common multiple to go with Chapter 2 in our math curriculum. I'm going to start with greatest common factor. As we worked on in class, factors are those numbers that we multiply together to get a certain product. If you're not sure about how to find factors, you can reference another video that we have on the webpage, which is about finding factors. This one, though, is about greatest common factor. So greatest common factor means if I find all of the factors of 24 and 36, the largest one that they have in common will be our greatest common factor. So the first step in finding the GCF, greatest common factor, is finding all the factors of 24 and all the factors of 36. So I'm going to start using my rainbow factors strategy. I'm going to start with 1 and 24. Then I work my way inward. 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Now I'm going to find the factors of 36. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and then I know 6 times 6 is 36, but I only need to write that once. Don't worry, kids, if you can't do that quite as quickly as I can. I've had a lot of practice over the years. Now, what I want to do is I want to circle all the factors that these two have in common. So I'm going to take my red marker here, and I'm going to say, well, they both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, they both have 4, they both have 6, they don't have 8 and 9 in common, and they both have 12. So out of that, we're looking for the greatest common factor. I can see when I look at my lists that the greatest common factor for 24 and 36 is 12. Okay, now on to the least common multiple. Multiples are numbers that are multiple of another number. For example, if I'm looking for multiples of 6, those would be the same as if I skip counted by 6s. So 6, 12, 18, and so on. So what I'm going to do first is, again, write the first 8 or 10 multiples of 6. So I know 1 6 is 6, 2 6s is 12, 3 6s is 18, 4 6s is 24, 5 6s is 30, and I'm going to stop talking because, as my kids know, if I talk and write, I get mixed up. So 36 and 48. Okay, 42. See, I did it. 42. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll go one more, 48. Now I'm going to find the first 8 multiples of 48. Or 8, sorry. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. Okay, now I'm going to find the ones that they have in common. Again, with my red marker, I'm going to say, let's see, what's the first one they have in common? 24 is the first one they have in common. Let's see. And 48 is the next one they have in common. Kids, as you noticed in class, there's a pattern there when you look for common multiples. I know that the second multiple is double the first common multiple. So I have 24 and 48. I'm looking here for the lowest common multiple, which I found as my LCM is 24. Well, I hope that clears some things up. Again, if you have any topics that you would like to see a video tutorial on, you can hit us up on Twitter @Lines4MG, or you can post a comment to the class webpage in the homework section in that blog post where you can comment. Thanks so much for your attention, and I hope this helps. Bye.